Budget smartphones tend to mainly focus on providing the basic features and not so much on design. But Infinix has other plans for its latest budget offering. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and we got to spend some time with Infinix Smart 7, and here are our first impressions of the device. So let's get started. The Smart 7 is a budget offering from Infinix and comes in this green colored box with the model name and company branding on the front, and at the back we have some of the features of the smartphone mentioned. Upon opening the box, we are greeted with the phone, which we'll keep aside for now. Next is the power adapter, USB Type-C charging cable, some documentation, the user manual, the SIM eject tool, and the TPU case. The Infinix Smart 7 is available in a sole variant with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It comes in Azure Blue, Night Black, and Emerald Green color options. The smartphone is priced at Rs 7,499 in India. The Smart 7 features a polycarbonate housing that quite frankly feels sturdy. At 207 grams, the smartphone definitely feels heavy. It has flat sides with the power key and volume buttons on the right and the SIM slot on the left side. Type-C charging port, microphone, speaker grill, and headphone jack are all located at the bottom. The Infinix Smart 7 sports a textured matte finished back panel. The wavy pattern looks fresh and feels smooth to the touch. We also have the Infinix branding at the bottom, followed by this huge camera module that also houses the fingerprint sensor. The Smart 7 comes equipped with a dual rear camera setup, which includes a 13-megapixel primary camera and a depth camera, followed by the flash. The Infinix Smart 7 uses a 5-megapixel front camera in the water drop notch in the display. The phone comes with a 6.6-inch HD Plus LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate and a maximum rated brightness of 500 nits. The content looks decent, but legibility under direct sunlight is not good. Infinix is heavily marketing the Smart 7's ability to have up to 7GB of RAM, which is nothing more than the RAM extension feature seen on nearly every other Android phone that uses 3GB of the storage as virtual RAM, thereby adding up to 7GB. The Infinix Smart 7 sports a gigantic 6000 mAh battery, which is very good, but the phone only supports 10-watt charging, which is not great. The phone is powered by a Unisoc Spreadtrum SoC and runs on Infinix XOS 12, which is still based on Android 12. The Infinix Smart 7 is a good-looking smartphone in the sub-Rs 10,000 segment, and its large battery is one of the main highlights. Do let us know what you think of Infinix Smart 7 in the comments. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.